Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to talk about how an artificial intelligence help weaning off mechanical ventilators for those with respiratory failures. Weaning off from the mechanical ventilators is the process of gradually reducing the mechanical ventilator support until the patient can breathe independently. So now, prolonged use of mechanical ventilators, what will happen? Vocal cord injury, musculoskeletal deconditioning, barotrauma, ventilator associated pneumonia. Above said complications are clinically risk and increase morbidity and mortality. Weaning off from ventilators all of a sudden increase disease severity, respiratory pump failure, cardiovascular instability, and even death. Now, let's talk about AI role in mechanical ventilator. Here, computer controls the ventilator adjustment, and AI uses information from sensors of pressure, volume, flow, respiratory rate, heart rate, partial pressure of expired carbon dioxide, partial pressure of oxygen, satural of peripheral oxygen, fraction of inspired oxygen. Above all parameters, AI uses for adjusting the ventilator. And AI not ready in extreme clinical conditions like it need more development.